Guys, welcome to today's vlog. I think I forgot to do the intro for it, so this is actually way later in the future once I'm tired, done. I'm not tired. So yes, you guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog. Let's go. They look so cute. I didn't want to get them long because then they were gonna look like long drapes, kind of like that, so I wanted to keep them short. So I was showing you guys, we did the table. It looks so cute. Actually, I already ate on it, and it has the leaf, and all you have to do is just like put these two little things there. I'm so excited to clear all this stuff out and just reorganize everything and put my rug down. I need to clean up there, so before I put the rug and stuff, I need to clean up there and vacuum inside, because I do have like these, well, I have my camera bag and I have like decorating things that I used to use for behind my beauty videos. And over here is where we store our paper towels, toilet paper, paper plates, things like that. I finished with the cabinets. It took me a while. It took me like 2 hours, I think. I don't know, but it's been a while. So up here I put my camera bag that still has my big camera with my just my lenses and stuff like that, and then I have my microphone. I put some decor, some Christmas decor in this little fall pumpkin. Here I just put my paper towels and all of the toilet paper, and then over here I'm gonna put all of Lexi's blankets, my planner, pins and stickers. My planner have some kitchen stuff, but well, kitchen stuff, some micheladas, obviously. I still need to clean up the entire kitchen. I'm gonna do that today though, because I really do want to get it out of the way. Completely cleared out, so you just have to take out a few things. I'm gonna put some of those things back. Everything is out of there, and then that's it for the top. Over here I have a bunch of mess. I have space, but nothing is cleaned out, so I need to take all that out right now and put everything back, but like neatly organized. Y'all, I'm so sad right now. I dropped my camera. I was cleaning the kitchen area, so that's what I was showing you, and my camera lens, like the camera fell, so you see how crooked the lens looks. It'll turn on, the camera turns on, but the lens, is completely like broken. You see how it doesn't go in evenly, and it didn't even fall anywhere hard. It fell right here on this little mat that I have. I honestly thought it was fine. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, it didn't chip or anything. And I was looking at it, I was like, okay, you know, it survived, it's fine. But no, it didn't. It hit too hard, I guess, and now it's like crooked. So gonna continue vlogging. I'm pretty upset just because I just got the camera, you know, so I'm just gonna keep going. Extras that we have, there's vitamins, there's Alexi's peanut butter, there's workout stuff, and then over here I put our oil, sugar. This one is olive oil, so it's just right there, so everything fits nicely. And then over here I ended up putting the pots, plastic containers right up here, kind of like where it was already, but I fixed it. Then in this one I put, still our new pots are back there, so I have to put them together. Here I wanted to put the things that we have been using most recently. So this is what we ended up always having all across the counter. It just makes it look messy. Even though they're just bottles, it makes it look very messy. So I put everything here. It's going to be easy to grab. What's in there. And then on the bottom I put all of our crackers, oatmeal, tunas. We have some popcorn, some crackers. I'm reviving that plant, okay? You're going to be seeing that forever here on my channel because it used to have purple pretty flowers and then I accidentally let it die and I'm pretty sure it's going to come back. Like, I know it, okay? I can feel it. I'm going to find a new spot for my laptop, which is most likely going to be in there. Most time for the decorating part. I swear, it's taken all day. Right now it's 10:16, but I'm not going to stop. I still have to clean out the little restroom, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just gonna close the door. So yeah, I'll keep going. So that's how it's really supposed to look. These are the pillows that are going to go on the couch, and I got these from Target, and these are the ones that are going to go on the couch once it gets here. I think they're so cute. And then here is the other one, and then I have one more. I'll show it to you in a little bit, but it's in, I think it's in the, oh no, I think I have it right there. This one, these are from the store at home, and I got this pillow for the couch. It's going to be in not the same color. This is not the color. Oh, this is not the same color as the couch, but this is the like accent color that I'm going to put on it. And you see it matches this green ottoman, so these are the ones that are going to go together. And then these are the cushions that are going to go on the table. This is the one that I got for Lexi's treats. I'm going to stick them in here in a bit, but look at how cute it is. It just has the, it says gourmet treats 7 days a week, and then it has a little paw up here, and I thought this one was really cute. Oh my gosh, we've never had a dining table. How's that? How does that look? I'm not too sure about the flowers yet, okay? But I think it gives it just a little bit of color. So the curtains stand out, you know, because they're light color up there. And then this is just, you know, just so neat and clean. These are like small little treats, you know, tiny ones. Yeah, I think that was too many. Here are the treats. Look at how cute. So there I have those kind, the little peanut butter cookies, and then I can still reach in there and grab the other crackers, and then these are the little bars. So there we go. How cute! So far, you guys, I'm so happy. Look at the little mat, the table. So this stuff, it's gonna go. Those are all the little decorating things that I used to have. I don't know where I'm gonna put all that stuff yet. And then the drill, well, my husband's gonna use it for the curtains. I can't wait till that's up because that's gonna make it look finished over there, you know. And then of course the couch. The couch is what I still need, but yeah, I have all of the bags over here. Pillows, the decorative pillows that are gonna go on the bed, my comforter, and the sheets. But I hope you guys so far have been enjoying looking at everything that I've done today. I'm so excited because it's never ever looked like this, and I'm seeing it all come together. But like I said, thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, and I will see you in my next vlog, where I'll show you how I finish off the room and then also the bathroom, which is still left. Like I said, have a great night. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.